The Police High Command says it has taken note of a message being circulated on social media where persons are encouraging members of the public to participate in roadblocks. In a statement today, the police issued a warning to persons who intend to take part in such activities. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Protests in different parishes island-wide, Clarendon, Westmoreland and Kingston among others in recent weeks, with the most common reason being poor road conditions. But over the past weeks, the controversial National Identification Bill, which was recently passed in Parliament, has also forced persons to take to the streets voicing their concerns. And since Sunday, there's a message that has been making rounds on social media, which has caught the attention of the police. The message states, "Roadblock December 6, 2017. We don't want the new ID system. We can't be forced to use our body for ID. This is the mark of the beast. Let us unite and fight for Jamaica." But the Police High Command is making it clear that the roadblocks will not be tolerated. In a statement this afternoon, the High Command issued a reminder that blocking of roads is illegal. The High Command said while the public has a right to a peaceful assembly, this should not impede or inconvenience others. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.